What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. All you new subscribers, welcome to Barbell's Life. So today I'm going to attempt to get a mirror finish out of this panel. If everything goes good with this panel, I will continue on the rest of the car. So basically, let me show you guys what I have. Right here. Well, first of all, I have a bucket over here. And this bucket is full of soapy water. Regular soap to wash dishes with. Then, what I have right here is some cutting compounds. So this one's about halfway. It's not a heavy cut, it's not a light cut, it's about halfway. It's by Meguiar's. Then I have the 3M rubbing compound over here. And then I have the mirror glaze. I also bought some sandpaper, some more sandpaper. These right here are actually they feel like sponges. That's what they feel like. And then I got a little cloth right here to wipe anything off. I also got this right here. These are adapters for the drill with little pads. All these pads, they feel almost the same, but you could tell that this is a little bit rougher than this one. This one feels like a finishing pad compared to this one. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing is I'm going to wet sand with some 1500 grit, and then I'm going to jump up to like 2500, and then I'll finish it off with 3000. And hopefully that will get a really smooth edge, so when I lay these glazes on, it'll create that mirror finish. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start, and I'm going to record this so it goes fast. So I went ahead and I laid all the stuff down. I buffed it up, and so you guys can see a reflection right there. You guys can see me on camera compared to this side. See those trees right there? It almost looks like orange peel. Let's see if I can find the trees over here. Now I gotta pull the car out. But either way, it's a huge difference in person. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and continue wet sanding the whole rest of the car and do all the panels. Alright, so it's getting dark outside, and I just went ahead and I did this whole side completely. The whole side is completely done. I don't know if you guys can see the reflection right there, but it's got a really good reflection right now. I started the other side, the passenger side, and that passenger side still needs to be hit with all the chemicals that I have. Catch you guys on my next video. I'm gonna have to finish this tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm gonna start recording again. I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna be installing the short shifter. So I'll start recording tomorrow, and hopefully I'll post that video. Catch you guys on my next video. Peace.